cake ba ang cravings mo today or gusto mong magnegosyo ng puto cake pero wala kang oven sa bahay? No worries mga moms, dahil ang puto cake ay kayang-kaya nating gawin kahit wala tayong oven. Good day mga moms, this is Mommy Irene again, ang inyong kusinera, and yes, for today's video ay i-guide ko kayo step by step sa paggawa ng maputi at fluffy na puto cake. So tara, let's get started! So in a bowl, i-combine muna natin ang ating mga dry ingredients. First, 2 1/3 cups ng cake flour, 1½ tablespoon ng baking powder, pinch of salt, and 1/3 cup ng white sugar. Mix well, then add 1½ cup of water gradually. Sa flour, alam ko may magtatanong kung pwede ba na all-purpose flour ang gamitin. Yes, pwede. But it will not be as light, white, and fluffy compared to cake flour ang gamitin natin. This is the perfect consistency na dapat natin ma-achieve. Not too thick, not too runny. Dapat sakto lang. Unlike the usual puto cheese recipe, puto cake ay mas soft, light, airy, and fluffy. And to achieve that, ay gagawa tayo ng meringue. At sa paggawa ng meringue, ay gagamit tayo ng 7 medium-sized egg whites. Yes, egg whites ang gagamitin natin, kaya the best time to make puto cake ay paggagawa din kayo ng leche flan. Egg yolks for the leche flan and egg whites para sa puto cake. Now, using a handheld mixer, beat natin yung ating egg whites at low speed first until it becomes bubbly. Make sure na yung bowl na gamit natin ay dry dahil pagbasa ito o may moisture, ay magiging failure ang paggawa natin ng ating meringue. Continue lang sa pagbeat at low speed until foamy na ito, then add half a teaspoon ng cream of tartar or 1 teaspoon ng lemon or vinegar. Adding acid like lemon or vinegar helps meringue whip up and aerate more quickly. At habang binibit natin ito, still at low speed, gradually add half cup ng sugar. Once all sugar is added, increase natin yung speed to medium and beat natin ito until soft peaks form. Now fold natin yung ating meringue into the cake batter. Be gentle lang when folding to the mixture to avoid deflating our meringue. 2 ways yung gagawin natin para din sa may mga oven. Gamit natin dito ay 7 by 3 inches na pan with parchment paper sa bottom para easy lang ito yan mold mamaya. Do not grease your pan mga moms, lalo na yung sides, to allow the cake batter to climb up the sides of the pan and able to rise in order to achieve tall fluffy cake. Di lang sa puto cake but cakes na may meringue like sponge cake, chiffon cake, dapat wag i-grease lalo na yung sides kasi hindi ito aalsa ng maayos dahil madulas yung sides ng pan. Syempre sa puto cake hindi mawawala ang cheese and salted eggs. So naglagay lang ako sa top ng sliced cheese and salted eggs, then bake natin ito in a preheated oven for 1 hour at 180 degrees. For the steam method naman, I used 5 by 2 round pan. Steam natin ito over medium heat only for 45 to 50 minutes. Then wrap natin yung takip ng steamer with clean cloth to prevent the moisture from the steam dripping on our cake batter. And after 50 minutes, do a toothpick test. If it comes out clean, luto na ito. Kung basa pa, extend your steaming time for another 5 minutes. At kung umabot ka man sa part ng video na ito at hindi ka pa nakapag-follow, please like and follow our page for more quick and easy recipes. And paki-comment na din down below, I love puto cake, kung favorite mo din ang puto cake. And before we proceed, shoutout muna to Chai Chai ng Davao de Oro, to Ann Inyon Malakad ng Kulasi Antique, to Brigeda Domogaro ng Victoria Tarlac, and to Ate Nor's Vlog ng Brunei. Thank you mga moms for watching. And as quick and easy as that, meron na tayong soft and fluffy puto cake na perfect pang merienda at patok ding pangbenta. Kung walang handheld mixer, pwedeng gumamit ng wire whisk, mano-mano lang, pero tiyagaan nga lang sa pag-whip dahil nakakangalay. Kailangang non-stop kasi ang pag-beat ng egg white. At sana ay nagustuhan nyo at nakatulong ang video na ito paano gumawa ng masarap na merienda sa abot kayang halaga na pwede ding pagbenta. This is Mommy Irene again, ang inyong kusinera. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!